Alright, you guys, I'm going to open up Pokémon Gardevoir Premium Poster Collection. Let me get it ready. Let's get into it. Alright, you guys, so we got 10 packs of greatness. We got our promo here. Let's leave that up right away. Very nice promo, nice edges, as you can see. Alright, let's do this. See if we can get that much wanted God pack. That would be Nuts, Totodile, Charmander, Diglett, Tool Scrapper, Mawile, Team Rocket's Watchtower, Electric. Ooh, and we're off to a good start. Salazzle, Illustrator Rare. Very nice. Larry Staraptor and a Victory Bell. Coolio. Let's leave that bad boy up right now. Very cool card. Very nice centering. Alrighty, second up. Totodile, Charmander, Team Rocket's Diglett, Tool Scrapper, Beautifly, Thick Scale, Camerupt, a Psychic Energy Hollow Clefairy, Erica's Tangela, and a Hoopa. Very cool. Next pack up. Got an Erica Zodish, Fanrotom, Ralts, Riolu, Erica's Gloom, Mawile, Canary, Team Rocket's Ariana, Reverse Hollow, very cool, Raboot, and a Glass Trumpet. Wow. Not a big fan of these, but we'll take it. Put a nice sleeve on this $2 card. So why not? Gotta put respect, you know? Respect it, don't neglect it. Alright, next up. Dreepy, Chikorita, Helioptile, Night Stretcher, Vikavolt, Light Ball, Salazzle, Slurpuff, Psychic Hollow, Camerupt, Quick Ball Hollow, and a Team Rocket's Spidops, and a Holographic Energy. Alright. Not great, not bad. Next up, we got Team Rocket's Meowth, Shuppet, Enzderamaka, Mega Signal, Team Rocket's Petrol, Erica's Weeping Bell, Prism Energy, Erica's Gloom, Enz Reshiram Pokeball, and a Tapu Koko. Snorunt, Team Rocket's Meowth, Badoo, Counter Game, Beautifly, Iris' Fighting Spirit, Camerupt, Okidoki, Salazzle, and a Honchkrow. Alrighty, so we got a Rufflet, Dynamo, Dracloak, Silcoon, Enzdarmanitan, Erica's Weeping Bell, Premium Power Pro, Bisharp Steel Energy, Team Rockets, Guard, and a Mega Scrafty. Very nice. That's very cool. It's centered. It's a really nice card. I really like that one. It's probably 10 out of 10 there. It's nice centering. Very nice. It's probably better than the one I already have. Alrighty, next up, Cynthia's Gibble, Aaron's Vanillite, Larry's Kamala, Dreepy, Iris' Fighting Spirit, Solrock, Erica's Gloom, Shuppet, Psychic Energy, Crocodile, Quick Ball, and a Monkey Dory. Next back up. Hopefully we can hit some last pack magic, as the catchphrase goes. The Charmander, Diglett, Tool Scrapper, Psyduck, Mystery Garden, Weavile, Galarian Obstagoon. That's our first Shadow. That's crazy. Team Rocket's Transceiver, Reverse Hollow. Oh, and another Illustrator Rare, Mischievous. And a Zangoose, double hitter. Nice. Doesn't happen very often, but I like what it does. So there's for the Zangoose. Really cool card. And we'll sleeve up this Mischievous. Nice centering on that too. Really nice. Alright. And time for the last pack magic, as they say. Oh, no God pack, but that's okay. Snom, Meditite, Larry Starly, Bisharp, Team Rocket's Petrol, Erica's Weeping Bell, Prism Energy, Thick Skill, Reverse Hollow, Psyduck, Love Ball, very cool, and a Monkey Dory. Alright, so we count up all our hits here. Not too bad. We'll include the promo because why not? So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. It's not too shabby. 6 out of 10. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.